Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the new topic in our grammar, that is the noun and its type. Before that, let us see what are the parts of speech which we have seen before. That is, there are 8 parts of speech. What are they? Noun, pronoun, adverb, adjective, conjunction, preposition, verb, and interjection. Here the article is given, but article is not in part of speech. Okay, so there are 8 parts of speech. How many parts of speech are there? 8. So today our topic is to learn the first part of speech, that is noun and its types. Start with the lesson. Next topic, that is noun. Let us learn first what is being called as noun. So noun are the naming words, the names of any person, place, creature, things and emotions are being called as noun. So the naming words are being called as what? Noun. Let us see the examples here. You can see the person name has been given Mahatma Gandhi. So Mahatma Gandhi will be noun. A place, a school will be noun. A peacock, lock, childhood. Childhood is an emotion. This is also been considered as noun. For example, the person's names are given Mahatma Gandhi, Mayank. So they are noun. Places, school, garden. Creature is peacock, lion. And here the things are also given. Lock, cup and saucer is being given. The emotions such as childhood, bravery. So this all are being considered as noun. Okay. So here what all things are being given? Person, place, creature, thing and emotion. This all been are considered as noun. Let us see some examples have been given of place, person. About the nouns, let us see the person. Person's names are given like Amar, Rishabh, Rajiv, Raju, like that, etc. Places are Agra, Bilaspur, Palampur, etc. Here see animals are also been given. Animals name cat, dog, elephant, etc. The things such as pen, pencil, rubber, scale, this all being considered as noun. Rivers such as the Ganga, Brahmaputra, Ravi. So this all also being considered as noun. Buildings name, mountains name, oceans name. And here the country's name, state, religion, seas, newspaper. So this all are being considered as nouns. Okay, so here which we have seen is a particular name has been given. So let us see the kinds of noun. Kinds means what? The types of noun. Now let us start with the types of noun. Types is also being called as kinds. If kinds of noun is also been asked to you, you have to write the types of noun only. Here, see, there are 5 types of noun. First is proper noun, second common noun, third is collective noun, fourth is abstract noun, and fifth is material noun. So there are how many types of noun? 5. So let us start with the first one, that is proper noun. So let us learn the first type of noun, that is proper noun. So what is being called as proper noun, that we are going to learn now. A proper noun is a name of particular person, place, thing, etc. A noun becomes a proper noun when we call it by its name. For example, a person is standing there, we know his name. So we'll call them by his name, right? So for example, the Mayank, come here. So Mayank will be a particular name of that person, right? So this is being considered as a proper noun. For example, here the examples have been given. Let us see that. The Golden Temple is in Amritsar. So here the temple's name is given as Golden Temple, a specific name, as well as the place name where it has been located, that is Amritsar. So this too is being considered as proper noun. The earth rotates on its axis. So here we are talking about earth, a specific earth. So the specific name of that planet has been given. So it has been considered as proper noun. The Red Fort is in Delhi. So here the fort's name, particular fort's name is given and where it has been located, that place is also been given, like the Red Fort and Delhi. So it is being considered as proper noun. Let us see some examples here. Read the above sentence. Given sentence. Here first is given, Ashoka was a great king. So who was a great king here? Ashoka. Ashoka king's name is particularly been given, so it is being considered as the proper noun. Bengaluru is the city of garden. So the place name is been given, which is being called as city of garden, that is Bengaluru. Mumbai and Delhi are big cities. Right. So here the two cities names are given, particular city's name. So it is being called as proper noun, that is Mumbai, Delhi. The Asian Games are held every 4 years. Which games are held? A particular name of the game is been given, that is Asian Games. So Asian Games will be what? The proper noun. Haridwar is a holy place. Which is the holy place here? Haridwar. A particular place is been given, that is Haridwar. So it is been considered as proper noun. The national language of India is Hindi. So here the particular country name is given and particular language which is the national language of this country, it is been given, that is India and Hindi. So this is proper noun. The Himalayas are high mountains. So specific mountain name is given, that is a highest mountain. So the name of the mountain is Himalaya. So it is being considered as the proper noun. Now let us learn the second type of noun, that is common noun. By reading the name only. Common means what? A large number of people are there. So to commonly what we call to that person is the man or person. Such kind of word we use, right? So let us see what is being called as common noun here. The common noun are names given in common to each person, place or thing of same class or kind. So here the common nouns are the name which is given to the common person, to common name to every person, place or thing. Let us see the examples which is been given here. So you can see the birds here, right? We are not in a common thing, we will not tell that as a specific name. There are a lot of birds, so we will tell them as birds are flying. You can see here the boys are going to the school. So here the common thing which we are using here in the sentence is boys. You can see the cat. The cat is chasing a rat. We have not given a particular name to the cat or a particular name to rat. We are using a common word, that is cat is chasing rat. So cat as well as rat will be a common noun. Let us see some sentences here. She is my teacher. Teacher is the word which we use for all the teachers. If we are telling in the common noun, we'll mention a particular teacher's name. But here we are using teacher. So teacher is a common word which we use for all the teachers. So it will be a common noun. Let us see the second example, that is Arpita is writing a letter. She is writing a letter. The letter, which letter she is writing, or it is formal, informal, or to whom she is writing, it is been not mentioned. Just she is writing a letter. So letter will be a common thing. Karan is swimming in the river. The river's name is not given, just a river is been given. So all the rivers will call as river only, right? Commonly. But if we have to mention a particular river, then the name will be mentioned. So if the name is mentioned, it will be proper noun. But here the river has been given, so it will be common noun. Apples and mangoes are fruits. So here for all the apples we'll use apple word, or all the mangoes will use mangoes. mango word, right? So mangoes, apples and fruits are what? The common noun. Let us see the fifth example, that is there are 40 pupils in the class. So how many pupils are there in the class here? 40. So all the 40 students have been told by a word that is pupil. So pupil will be what? The common noun. There are 20 chairs. There are chairs. How many chairs are there? 20. For that 20, they are the word which they are using is chairs. So chairs will be what? The common noun. So here now we have learned the two types of noun, that is the proper noun and common noun. Proper noun is what? A particular name which is given to a place, thing or anything. So the such kind of things are being called, or for example a particular name we call a proper noun by their name. So such kind of words are being considered as proper noun. And the common noun are the names given to a common to every person, place or things of the same class or kind. So this is what we call as common noun.